Market. Our neighborhood has its own market. There are many shops and shopkeepers in the market. They sell different things and provide different services. The shopkeepers are called by special names. She is a greengrocer. We buy vegetables from her. He is a fruit seller. We buy fruits from him. She is a grocer. She sells us rice, dals, oils, sugar, etc. He is a stationer. Our father buys pencils, paper, pens, copies, etc. for us from him. They are chemists. We buy medicines from them. There is a tailoring shop in the market. The tailor of this shop stitches our clothes. There is a salon in the market. Many barbers work here. We have our hair cut in the salon. There is a florist. She sells fresh flowers. Other services. There is a post office in our neighborhood. We buy stamps, postcards, inland letters, etc. from here. We also send or receive our letters through the post office. We also send parcels and money orders through the post office. We drop our letters in a post box. A postman collects the letters from the letter box and takes them to the post office. Then the letters are sent to different places. There is a hospital near our house. We go there when we are ill. The doctor treats us. There is a bank near our house. People keep their money in the bank safely. They also withdraw money whenever they need. There is a police station in my neighborhood. Many policemen work there. They keep us safe. They also help to maintain peace. There is a fire station also in my neighborhood. Many firemen work there. Their job is to put out fires. Firemen use ladders and hose pipes to put out fires. Good habits. Good habits include personal cleanliness and fitness. These also include cleanliness of surroundings. These help us to be healthy. Good habits also make us active and happy. So, we must have good habits. Keep your body clean. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily using a good soap. Wear clean clothes. Oil your hair regularly. Always keep your nails trimmed. Chewing nails with your teeth is a bad habit. Proper and regular cleaning of the ears and nose is also important. Never use a sharp object to clean your ears. Always use earbuds. These habits are good for health. Take enough rest and sleep at proper time. Rest and sleep make your body fit to work. Take regular exercises. These keep your body strong and healthy. Keep your body clean and wear clean clothes only. Wash your hands properly before having meals. Also wash your hands and mouth properly after eating meals. Wash your hands and feet after using the toilet. Use a handkerchief to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Do not spit here and there. If necessary, spit at a proper place. Keep your house clean. Also, keep its surroundings clean. Do not throw garbage in the open. Throw those in a dustbin or at a dumping place.